Now, a question we get here all the time is, should I get a brand new garage door opener or should I repair the one I have? Well, garage door openers, they last anywhere between 12 and 15 years old, depending on how well that garage door was working. If the garage door wasn't working very well, it's going to shorten that lifespan. Now, if your garage door opener is older than 10 years old, I wouldn't recommend putting any money into it. You certainly wouldn't put a new motor into a car that has over 200,000 miles, would you? You run the risk of something else breaking, and now you're putting even more money into a motor that you probably should replace in the first place. Now, if your motor is one of those noisy chain drives and you're having an issue with it, well, maybe now it's time to move up to a belt drive. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you want to learn more about garage doors and garage door openers, subscribe to the link below. I'm Joe Conti with Precision Door. I'll see you next time.